Okay, so today we're gonna do a little project. I've got a bigger one going here. Oh, hi. Hello, Apodaca Homestead. We're gonna do a little project. I've got one going on this side over here where we actually expose the live edge on this guy, and then we're gonna mount these to it and do a burn project on there. But sometimes, I don't know, maybe some people wonder, some don't. This isn't a project for those who already know, but we want to take this bark off and expose that live edge to make it look like that. So, a couple things. I just need a hammer. Use pretty much any hammer. But you've got a place here where it touches the wood right in there that you want to remove that and expose it. So you can start on the edge with a crowbar. I like to use this. Sometimes it works really well. But this one I am gonna sand it.
To a
little chisel, just to see.
You just really look for the color change there.
Right, and we'll go from that pink to yellow. Try something real quick. It's a little bit sharper.
And what are those called?
These are just wood carving chisels. It's under there pretty good, it looks like.
But you can't do the bulk of it with that.
No, I wouldn't.
Because those are kind of
If you had
pricey.
bigger ones, yeah, these are expensive.
There we go. Look at that.
Don't get your fingers in front of it.
They look like a box of Cuban cigars with that label on them.
Yeah, that's awesome. We do like those, just saying.
Well, you can hear the change in the sound, can't you?
Mm-hmm.
When you start.
That'll be it for this one.